My name is Molly Valentine Dierks, and the title of my exhibition is Digital Islands, A Place Without an Ocean. I'm getting ready to do the delicate process of shipping the trees. The tree vignettes are incredibly detailed, and all 5 of those will be featured in the exhibition. And then I'm also doing another large wall installation that's laser cut, and it's iridescent vinyl, and it is called Cloud Transmission. It's inspired by ukiyo-e prints that I've had a chance to look at over here. So cloud and water patterns and nature and technology. A lot of my work right now, it's really one of 2 things. So one, I work as a designer, so cloud transmission, and I'm designing it in Adobe Illustrator and then cutting it on the laser cutter. And so that's a very clean, regimented, planned out process. And then the other way that I work, which is still sort of highly perfectionistic, is with materials that I collect, and that includes like tiny mushrooms and bits of plastic, and those I put into super tiny, these miniature vignettes that look like futuristic ecosystems. I'm just really excited about this opportunity. The space is beautiful. Super excited about doing this large-scale wall installation because it's just I'm just so grateful for the opportunity to have that beautiful space, that big wall. I have a website, it's mollyvalentinedierks.com, and then Instagram is @mvdierks, and I'm just really looking forward to the meet and greet and the exhibition in general.